Alright, so we're just going to jump right into it. This is the final product of the house, and I'm really excited about its creation, and I'm really happy how it came out. So this video will be long, so grab your favorite drink, grab something to snack on, and I hope you guys will enjoy this process of creating this beautiful house with me. So to get started, I did have a plan in mind. I did build this house before, and I just decided to build it again just for the sake of this video because I realized that, it was a really nice house, and so I just decided to make a video on it, and I hope it's not too fast for you guys to watch it. I did try to slow it down, but making this video or making this house was a really long process, so I did have to speed some parts up. With that said, the theme that I had in mind was somewhere in between being retro and somewhat modern, but I did have an idea to use a lot of vibrant colors because since the fall is here, a lot of those colors such as the yellow, orange, brown, and reds are just really something that stick out to me, and I really wanted to incorporate it in this house and not just have it be a very plain house with just white colors. So I really wanted to use colors and make use of it. And I did decide to buy the Sims expansion pack Seasons. I have been wanting to get this expansion pack for quite some time now, and I finally decided to do it because it was on sale, so I decided to buy. I also had no idea that there were so many expansion packs and stuff packs. When I was downloading The Sims and I saw how many there were, I was just super excited because that meant that I could get more and just experiment more, and I haven't been keeping track with any of this, so if that's something you guys would like to see and you would like me to demonstrate all the different things that each expansion pack comes with, I will definitely do so, and you can comment below to let me know. That would be really fun. When creating this house particularly, I really wanted to decorate it with fall items, so once the house is built, I'm going to then decorate everything accordingly and just make it look very festive. For the kitchen, I wasn't sure if the kitchen would turn out nice because of the split level that you guys can see with the stairs, but surprisingly enough, with the little tweaks, it really came out nicely, and I'm really happy that I overall stuck with this layout because once I got over some of the hurdles, it was really awesome to see it come to life. For the kitchen, I wanted to keep it very basic and just kind of keep it like, the best thing that I could probably relate it to is maybe IKEA designed, so that kind of explains it. And for this area, we have a little sitting area where you can sit down and just chill and look out of the window and just watch the seasons change. And this was the area that I had the most trouble with, was the fireplace, because it is split level. The fireplace kept clicking to the top wall, if that makes sense, and it wasn't going onto the floor. And so after some tweaking, it finally came together, and I'm happy that it did because I really wanted a fireplace. I didn't want a TV. And here you guys are going to start seeing me use a lot of colors such as green, yellow, orange, even browns, reds, and even a little bit of blues. And again, this was basically to go with the retro theme that I was going for. And I know from some photos that I looked at, because I did have to look at some retro photos just to get an idea as to like what colors I should use. And I figured since fall, is here, and in this game particularly, the colors are really nice and vibrant, I figured using a lot of colors accordingly would look really nice with the season. And I was really happy to see that all the colors came together, because I know with some designs, if you just put all different colors together, it doesn't look as good as it should. It just kind of looks sloppy, but for this design, it really looked nice. Alright, so after I was done building the house, I did move the house to a bigger lot, and from there I decided to build in a pool with a garden, and I think this just completed the house overall, and I'm really happy that I decided to move it to a bigger lot because this house was just way too big. I did try to make it smaller, but unfortunately I just got carried away and it just ended up getting big. And I think with the season, all these different colors just look so beautiful against everything. With the house completed and the pool installed, we can now do a final tour, and this is what the front of the house looks like. So as you guys can see, I tried to decorate it with Halloween items, even though we still have some time to go. This is the front entrance, and it was supposed to be a split level, and I do apologize, you guys are going to see my character just randomly walk in front of the camera throughout this video, so I apologize for that. But this is the first room to the right of the entrance. This is the office area, basically, where you can sit and lounge and just kind of have your own little space if you wanted to. And now we're going to be going over to the bathroom area in the first entrance of the house, and it's a small bathroom, very tiny, but it's a guest bathroom. bathroom, so I didn't really expect anything of it. Now this part right here is my favorite. I love this hallway. I'm so happy that there is an actual sunlight going through this hallway because that's what I was aiming for. And down the hallway you go right into the dining area, and as you guys can see, all those colors just pop and it looks beautiful. I love it. This is the living room area, and I was really worried that with all the modifications that I was going through, it wasn't going to be pulled off. There's my character randomly showing up. That's the kitchen. It could have been a little bit better as far as decorating, but I'm pleased with it. This is the area that I look forward to playing around with, and this is the sitting area where you could just basically read and just kind of have a moment to yourself if you don't want to go into the office. From the living room to the dining room, we are going outside, and this is the patio area. I love how that sun is just hitting the patio. And when you go down the patio, we are basically led to the backyard area where we have a beautiful view of the house and the pool and all those beautiful fall colors. Just amazing. We're going to go back inside, and then we're going to go back to the top, and this is the view to the top of the stairs, and this is the hallway. Again, I really wanted to capture a lot of light in this home, so I made sure to put windows on all sides. This is the first room to the left. It's a very tiny room, but again, it's a guest room. Going down the hallway, we are going to see how it looks from overview, and I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I figured out a way to get a good view with the camera. Now I can show you guys what I've been wanting to show you. We're now going to go over to the second bedroom, and I think it's a little bit bare in my opinion. I feel like I should add a carpet or maybe some more wall decorations, but overall I like it. This is the guest bathroom, and this will be shared with this room and along with the other room. Going back out into the main hallway, we're going to go into the master bedroom, and this is one of my favorite rooms. I love the lighting. I put a fireplace in it, of course, because I love to have a fireplace in the rooms. And as you guys can see, again, I'm decorating it with fall items such as the pumpkins and the garlands, and just overall, look at that view. Isn't it beautiful? From the bedroom, we are immediately taken to the bathroom, and I knew that I wanted to have a beautiful view from the tub, so I created 2 windows from this one corner, and I think it was pulled off really well, and that is the other side of the bathroom. And that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the series, and if you watched the entire video, you guys are the best. If you would like more of these Sims creations, feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe for more. I upload every Friday with the exception of today because of the internet, but thank you again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!